Unlock your imagination, and let's dive into the revolutionary world of video creation with Sora AI. Sora AI empowers you to transform your ideas into captivating videos. And it all begins with the magic of your words. The first step is to craft a clear and detailed text prompt or script. Think of this as your blueprint. Describe the scene, the action, the characters, the mood, and anything else that will help Sora understand your vision. For example, if you wanted to create a scene of astronauts walking on Mars, your prompt might be a lone astronaut. Their visor, reflecting a crimson sunset, explores a vast, rocky Martian landscape, kicks up red dust with each step, and a distant, shimmering rover moves slowly in the background. The more specific you are, the better Sora can interpret your intent. Once you've entered your prompt, Sora's advanced AI will get to work, processing your text and beginning the generation process. This is where the true magic happens. As Sora interprets your words and translates them into moving visual sequences, you'll notice how Sora can bring your descriptions to life, generating realistic physics, intricate details, and even emotional nuance where appropriate. After Sora has generated your initial footage, the next crucial step is editing to perfect your creation, while Sora provides incredible raw material. A human touch ensures your video has the desired flow and impact. You can import your generated clips into your preferred video editing software here. You can trim clips, arrange them in sequence, and even add sound effects or background music to enhance the storytelling. Experiment with different prompts and editing techniques to make your video truly unique. Sora AI is not just a tool. It's a gateway to a new era of creative expression, allowing anyone to become a visual storyteller. So, start writing, start generating, and start creating your next masterpiece with Sora.